Welcome back, friends. In this video we will talk about AutoShapes in PowerPoint. So if you open your PowerPoint, you can access AutoShapes in two ways. First is that you go to the home ribbon, and then in the middle you can see there are AutoShapes, and if you click on this down arrow, you can see the entire list of AutoShapes which are available in PowerPoint. The second method is that you can go to the insert menu, and then from insert you can go to the shapes option, and if you click on this arrow you will get the same list of AutoShapes which we just saw through the home ribbon. So let's discuss what are the AutoShapes in PowerPoint. So there are a number of AutoShapes that we can draw in PowerPoint and we can use in our presentations. They are lines, they are rectangles, they are basic shapes, there are block arrows, there are equation shapes, there are flow charts, stars and banners, callouts, and finally the action buttons. So to use the AutoShapes, just click on any AutoShape you want to draw in the PowerPoint. For instance, if I want to draw this rectangle, I will click on this, and then I will click and hold and then drag. So that is how you draw the AutoShape in PowerPoint. And after that you can move the AutoShape, you can resize the AutoShape, you can do number of things with the AutoShapes in PowerPoint. For example, you can right click on the PowerPoint, you can add the text, edit text, shape 1. If I select it, and I can increase the font size, and then if I double click on the AutoShape, I will see this format menu. If I click on this, I can quickly change style of my AutoShape from clicking on this arrow, and I can go to any sort of style from here. And once you click on any theme, these are some of the styles that you can quickly apply to any AutoShapes which you draw in PowerPoint. If I will click on this style will be applied on the shape. Secondly, you can also customize this AutoShape yourself. Click on the AutoShape and go to the format menu, and from here you can do number of things. You can change the fill color. For example, you can select any color from here, or you can customize the color by going through this more fill colors. And over here what you can do is you can select any color from these colors, or you can go to the custom and then see what color suits you, and then if you, for example, if you want to have a blue shade, you go here and then you can move this arrow up to see the to make the customized color. Alternately, you can also use these codes, these RGB codes. So code for red, code for green, and code for blue. So if you have these codes, you can enter those codes and the color will automatically come here. And secondly, you can also go for HSL color model, and currently by default it is RGB applied. So for instance, you have custom requirement of colors. You can use this menu to apply the custom requirement of the colors. After that, just click OK, and you will see that customized color has been applied to the AutoShape. So other than that, we can also go to this outline shape option. Over here we can select any color for the outline, and after that we can go to the weight, and we can change the width of the outline from here. And you can also have no outline as well, this option. Other than that, you can also click on the AutoShape and go to the shape effects, and from effects you can go to the presets, and you can change any preset from here. For example, if you want to set the preset, this preset, you can click here, and after that you can go to the shadows. You can change you can apply different shadows from here, and you can go to the reflections. You can apply some reflections as well. You can go to the glow, soft edges, bevel, and then the 3D rotations. You can have these options also. You can apply these. You can also apply these options as well. So whatever is your requirement, whatever the way you want to have your AutoShape, you can apply these options from here. So these were some of the shortcuts you can apply to beautify your AutoShapes, but there are more options available. If you click on this arrow, you can access more options related to the selected AutoShape, or alternately you can right click on the AutoShape and go to the format AutoShape to access the same options. Over here we can see that there are a number of options over here. The first one is, we already discussed, the fill and the line color. If you go to the fill, you have these options available: no fill, solid fill, gradient fill. From gradient you can have color of you can select the gradient color from here. You can customize the color from here as well. Then you can have a picture or texture from here. You can select any picture from your computer, from internet, to access it. For example, if I click on insert and I can go to the from a file, I will click on this option, I have to select the picture from my computer. And secondly, I can go to the online pictures, and I can go to the icons as well. And go to online pictures, I can insert pictures from internet, go to the background or whatever category you want to select. For example, if I want to have this picture as a background, click on this picture and click insert. This picture will be applied over here. So you can now resize, you can move around and do number of other things as well. You can have the pattern fill as well. These are the patterns. You can change foreground and background color of the pattern from here. For example, you can make this color and you can select this one, and you can have the different background color, maybe this one and this one. So you can customize as per your requirements. And then you can have the slide background. Currently it is a white background of my slide, so this will be applied over here. And similarly, if you go to the line, you can have number of options over here. You can have either no line, or you can have the solid line. And from here you can change the color of the line whatever you want, and then you can increase the width of the line, maybe 10 or whatever you want. Just I'm giving it the bigger number just to show that it is appearing, and you can see that. And from here I can apply the transparency of the color of the outline this way. If I select the black color, so this is how it will look like. Other than that, what you can do is you can apply some compound type outline. You can apply dashes. So if you click on, for example, on this, you will have outline like this. And then you can have this cap type, flat, round, a square. In addition to this, you can go to this options of the effects we have already discussed over here, but you can access the effects from here as well. And we have the same effects which we discussed over here, that you can apply some shadows and you can customize those shadows from here. The difference is that these options allow you to customize it more accurately and more towards your requirements. If you select the preset from here, and after that you can change the color, and you can modify these options. And similarly, the reflections, glow, soft edges, 3D formats, and 3D rotation, all options which we have discussed over here, you can access those options from here, but with greater details and greater options. Now let us look on some of the other options. For example, if I want to insert a picture, I go to, for example, this section. So if I insert this picture, for example, so this is the picture I have inserted. If I want to crop a certain area of this picture, I can easily do that. For example, if I go to this AutoShape and select under lines, if I select this curve option, and I can draw the path around the area which I want to extract from the picture. I'm not doing it precisely, but just to demonstrate that this is how we can extract any part of the picture from a broader picture. For example, we have this shape over a picture. So first we have to click on this picture, and then press the shift key, and then press the area which we have drawn over the picture. Now both are now selected, and now go to this format section and go to merge shape and go to intersect. So you see we have extracted a part of the picture from a broader picture. Now we can move this picture, we can use it anywhere in our presentation. So this is how you can extract a part of picture from any picture you want to extract. We can also make customized AutoShape in PowerPoint. For example, if you see these shapes, I have made these shapes with combination of different shapes. These shapes are not available in the list of AutoShapes, and we cannot directly go and pick any shape and draw this one. So let us make these two custom shapes. So first of all, let's make this shape. I will go to the AutoShapes, and from here I will select this shape. This is direct access storage flowchart shape. I will draw it here, place it over here, and then I will go again in the AutoShapes, and from here I will pick this shape, pentagon, and I will draw it somewhere here, and then I will move it onto the shape, and I will adjust it as per my requirements. Now see, these are two shapes. This is one shape, this is the second shape. I can select these two shapes, and then I can go to the format and then merge shapes and click on union. So that is how we can create AutoShapes. Now this is the one shape. Now this has become the one shape. We can change colors, we can apply different style on this. That's it. And if I have to make this shape, simply I will go to the AutoShapes. For this I will first of all draw this one, maybe this one. Then I will go again and I will pick these one of the arrow, this one, and I will draw this arrow over here. Like this, and then we will select these two shapes, go to format, merge AutoShapes and union. Similarly, this is again a single shape has become the one shape, and I can now change color of the shapes and make the adjustment whatever I want, considering this is the one shape now. So this is how you can create different shapes in PowerPoint. I hope this video will help you in making different shapes in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.